this is Dora with Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing outside my new listing at 2404 Mill Grove Road in Upper St Clair. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home and lies right on the 18th green of St Clair Country Club. Some of my favorite features are the temperature controlled wine closet, the wine fridge, and custom built-ins throughout. Let's go inside and take a look. And lies right on the 18th green of St Clair Country Club.